In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing. If your alerts arrive late or only appear when you open the app, the most common cause is that your phone is limiting WhatsApp in the background. We're going to adjust a few Android settings so WhatsApp can stay active enough to fetch new messages and notify you right away. Menu names can vary slightly by device and Android version, but the ideas are the same. Start by opening your phone's main settings and finding the battery section. This is where Android controls power saving features. Look for power saving mode or battery saver and make sure it's turned off. Battery saver is great for extending battery life, but it does that by cutting back background activity and syncing. When it's enabled, apps like WhatsApp may not be allowed to check for new messages until you open them, which means notifications won't show up in real time. Next, head to Settings, then Apps, find WhatsApp, and open its app info page. Tap Mobile Data. Here, confirm that Allow Background Data Usage is turned on. This permission lets WhatsApp use mobile data even when you're not actively using the app, which is essential for instant notifications. If this is restricted, WhatsApp cannot look for new messages while closed, so messages and alerts will pile up silently until you launch the app. While you're still on the WhatsApp app info screen, tap Battery. You'll see an option that controls how aggressively Android manages the app in the background. Change it from optimized to unrestricted. Optimized tries to balance performance and battery life, but it can delay background tasks for messaging apps. Unrestricted tells your phone that WhatsApp is important and should not be put to sleep so it can keep its connection alive and deliver notifications promptly. Take a moment to back out and confirm those changes saved. Battery saver off, background data allowed, and battery usage set to unrestricted for WhatsApp. These three adjustments work together. Disabling system-wide power saving removes the broad restriction, allowing background data ensures WhatsApp can actually connect when you're not using it, and the unrestricted battery setting prevents Android from pausing the app's processes in the background. That's it. After applying these settings, WhatsApp should be able to check for new messages continuously and notify you as soon as they arrive, even if the app is closed and your screen is off. If your device labels differ slightly, just look for the same ideas: no power saving, background data allowed, and no battery optimization for WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and I hope your notifications are back to normal.